Hello, Ron Gerber from AngelLead. I'm so glad that you're considering participating in our AWS Virtual Summit discussing how their incredibly powerful technology can drive innovation, save money, help organizations succeed within the industries of manufacturing, distribution, logistics, chemical, and the broader role of operations in the corporate world. I think it's going to be fantastic. We all know that with the COVID-19 pandemic, there's going to be renewed interest in building the United States manufacturing base, as well as building manufacturing bases and factories in every city. That's why I think this will be incredibly valuable. I'm so appreciative of the AWS team for providing so many subject matter experts. I look forward to having you join me. Remember, you can always get the latest information at angelbeat.com or use hashtag AngelBeat on social media to follow us. Thank you very much.